bit more. Going down.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have another night photography, street photography video that we're going to jump into. I've become semi-obsessed with nighttime photography lately. I think it gets you outside of the norm, gets you to break your normal patterns, and especially in evenings like this where the elements are all there and the rain is falling, and you just get people, especially in Los Angeles, to be outside of their comfort zone, and kind of you get a whole different vision of the city. All the lights start glowing, all the reflections start showing, and you just get to go out and have a lot of fun. So this is me in downtown Los Angeles, and let's jump into the video. Hope you enjoy. So as you guys know, this channel is predominantly about the Ricoh GR3 or the Fuji X100V. But one of the things about night photography that I've been really realizing is you want to give people a lot of just peace of mind. You don't want to feel threatening or that you're like walking up on them or too close. A lot of people's senses are heightened at nighttime. So I thought, what better way than for this evening than to jump out with my Canon 5D Mark III with my 85mm and just have a little bit more fun with a pullback perspective where you get to hit shots that you normally wouldn't hit, where you have a tighter 35 or 20 lens. Something straight out of like an anime or a feature film. As you guys know, I'm a senior compositor in the film industry, so anytime I can get out and shoot something that feels cinematic, it kind of like rings true to my artistic style and what I'm trying to showcase on this channel. So these couple images right here almost felt like I was in Tokyo or something like that, nowhere near LA, and it just felt something that I was proud of and something that I walked away from the night just being stoked that I came home with. One thing I would suggest when you're out shooting night photography is have some fun. The beauty about getting out at night is things are not normal. So play with the lights, play with your depth of field, try and hit abstract shots. I think this is some of the times that you can have the most fun. Find a puddle, shoot a reflection, find a restaurant, and try and find like a certain angle that you can get that you would normally never get at any other time. So go out and play with that next time you're out shooting night photography. This area here I was just absolutely obsessed with. As you can see across the street, you had that like really cool glowing blown out light, where people would walk underneath, and it would give you this really cool contrast of white and black from the silver garage. And then just to your left, you would have just these like abstract neon lights shooting down this alleyway with people walking at you. I don't want to admit it, but I probably sat in this little zone for about an hour trying to hit these shots. But I just had too much fun, and I could not bring myself to walking away from it, because I just thought either if I was shooting to my right or if I was shooting straight ahead, I just had unique, cool opportunities coming at me left and right. This was something that I did kind of last minute, where I was like, okay, let's break it up, let's change our perspective. I found a parking garage, I went up to the 5th floor, I went up to the top, and I tried to get this angle down on this kind of like old school light and try and get people walking across this crosswalk and find like a new perspective of the evening instead of just shooting everything from the ground. I think that's one of the things with street photography that you need to know. You need to like get up against a wall or get low or get high and try and get a different perspective than just the everyday norm, because that's going to help you tell a new story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see some more of my street photography work, click on the 2 videos that you're going to see on the screen, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.